Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to embed or copy and paste your account payments link onto Keepsales to enable you receive mobile money or card payments from your customers. So let's get to it. So first you go to the main menu, you click on Momo and card payment, and then you click on payment settings. Now in the payment settings, you will notice there are steps to enabling your payment. Step 1, as you can see over here, when you click on it, it helps you to create a Paystack account. Now once you have gone through all the steps and created the account successfully, you are able to also acquire your username and your login. So to be able to create your Paystack account, you just click on this link. It takes you to the Paystack help desk, and then you just go through the procedure and you're able to create a Paystack account. So that is for step 1. Then when we come to step 2 is where you click to embed your payment link and enable payment. So this is the video that I will be emphasizing. So once you have created your Paystack account and then you have your username and your login, you click on this, and then this is where you are going to enter your Paystack Live public key. Okay, and then you are going to enable store payment. So we go to our Paystack account. So I type dashboard.paystack.com, and then I enter my Paystack login. Great, so once I enter, I am in. Now I will need my public live key to be able to enable payments in Keepsales. So what you do is you go to settings, you move your mouse to settings, you click on settings. It brings you over here, and then you come to API keys and webhooks. As you can see, I click on API keys and webhooks. Okay, so once I do that, it brings me here. Now you can see the live public key over here. Now this is what you are going to copy and then go and paste into Keepsales. So when you come here, this is the copy and paste button. So you click, you don't have to drag to be able to click to be able to copy. All you have to do is just click click on the button, and then it tells you that our live public key has been copied. Then we go to our payment set, we go back to the tab, our payment settings and management tab, and then we paste our live public key over here. So once you paste your live public key over here, then you come here and then you enable your store payment, and then you click on save changes. Now once you have clicked it, it tells you have been able to successfully create you can now receive payments, as you can read over here, that you can now receive payments with Keepsales. Then when you go to your new transaction and then you are selling to your customers, you are able to receive payment either with mobile money or card payment. But one thing you have to notice, you have to be a premium user to be able to receive payments on your Keepsales. So kindly take note of that. If you are not a premium user, you will not be able to receive payments on your Keepsales. So this has been a video on how to embed your payment link onto Keepsales. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of these amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. Have a wonderful time, and I'll see you again in our next video. Bye bye.